tuned into one of the greatest, the king of side hustles, my man Christopher Davis. Passive info, you know he got the latest. So grab your pen and pad, it's time to get educated. Tired of your 9 to 5, the head of your peers. Create generational wealth to pass to your kids. Show them how to invest, watch the dividends grow. Hey Chris, give them the game, it's time to let them know.
Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Christopher with Passive with Christopher. I'm coming to you with another platform update for today, this Tuesday of May. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I got some exciting news. I don't know if it's going to be exciting to you, but it's a little exciting to me with a little bit of nervousness, but I'll let you know why that is. But before we get into the whole platform and what it's about, the new platform, let me do my disclaimer, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Don't count me as your financial advisor. See, I'm just a father here who enjoys passive income and sharing my journey with you guys to show you guys how I live a passive income life through passive and non-passive opportunities. Now listen, understand, everything you hear on this channel is for educational purposes only. You must do your own research, your own due diligence before you decide to jump in any platform or program from this channel. There is always risk to everything we do, so please do your due diligence. And as always, if you like this content, please hit the like button. And you want to hear future updates as well of the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It'll help the channel very much so. Now we're going to get into today's topic. We're talking about AUFIN. Alright, I don't know if you heard anything about it because it's very, very, very new, ladies and gentlemen. Very new to the channel. It just started actually the 20th. So yeah, it just started the 20th. And I took a look at it, and I'm going to tell you right off the break, ladies and gentlemen, right off the break, I believe at this point in juncture that this is a mid to high risk platform. Yes, it's a mid to high risk platform. I don't care what no one else tells you out there that you might go and look at another video about, or you might check in, or somebody might check in with you and say this platform, new as it is, untested, is a mid to high risk platform. What that means is if you decide to invest in this platform, only risk what you're willing to lose, ladies and gentlemen. Only risk what you're willing to lose. Now, as I said that, and I said that a number of times, let's get going. All right, what is this platform? It's AUFIN Financial Limited. Okay, now what it is a combination of crypto arbitrage, mining, and trading. All right, so you got crypto arbitrage, you got the mining aspect, and you got the trading aspect. Okay, everything is fully automated. All right, the minimum deposit for this particular platform is only $20. Okay, only $20. The one thing that I do like about it is that they say it's instant withdrawals, and I've seen this for myself. It's instant withdrawals, so you can instantly withdraw your profits, and your profits are paid hourly, ladies and gentlemen. And that's the thing, you can withdraw and receive your profits hourly. All right, these are real-time commissions. Okay. Now the capital itself, what you invest in, is locked in for 30 days, but your profits that you get every hour, every day, you can withdraw those right away. Okay. You can unlock that capital though after 5 days if you feel that you want to take your capital out. But there will be a 10% penalty on that. Okay? So if you put your money in and you decide after 5 days that you want to take your money out, okay, there's going to be a 10% penalty. Now, if you go to full 30 days, there's no penalty at all when you withdraw your initial investment. There's no fee. Okay? The reimbursement of initial investment in 30 days without any penalty, like I said. Now, you'll make between 5% and 9% a day, depending on the package you choose. All right? And I'll be going over that for you as well. So just hold fast, just hold tight. And that's the thing I'm thinking about to myself, 5% to 9%. And we've been into a lot of these platforms that as of recently, because of the crash of the market, a lot of them went under. And I'm thinking to myself, 5% and 9%, that is really high. That's why I say this is high, medium to high risk, ladies and gentlemen. So do your due diligence, okay? Now, you make your initial investment back in about 11 days, depending on the investment, okay? And I'll go through that as we go on with this overview, okay? Now, it pays up to 3.38% an hour, ladies and gentlemen. That's insane. 0.38% an hour. Instant withdrawals with no limits. And like I said, this was just launched in May the 17th. So you're right there on the cusp, right there in it all. You're right there at the beginning. So let's go through this website, okay? So we got that out of the way. So, all right. So this is the home screen, okay? This is where you come and you see the website and everything. This is what you read, and then let's see. It says AU Finance Limited is a group of cryptocurrency experts with the experience in trading, mining, and arbitrage training. They can provide extraordinary services by implementing clever algorithms. You know how it's the same with most of these platforms. They do just about the same thing, but we hopefully that they are doing what they say they're doing. Okay. It says AW Finance works with only the finest in their profession, who are willing to go above and beyond to give you the highest investment returns possible. They use the finest servers, Cloudflare, DDoS protection. All these platforms say they have protection against, hackers and everything. So this is not nothing new that we're not used to. They all say we have super security against hacking, right? But we know from previous exit schemes that the first thing that they want to say when they want to exit is what? We've been hacked. So them saying that they have protection, to me, it's not a big deal to me. You know what I mean? You have it or you don't. You have it or you don't. It's what it is. So hopefully they don't get hacked, or hopefully it's not an exit scheme or something like that. You know what I mean? But the key factor is if you decide to jump into this program, to get your money back fast, right? Get your initial investment back fast. And I'll let you know how long it takes for that to actually happen. But let's go on with the overview, okay? It says, aside from management team, our organization, works with and collaborates with a number of professionals on a daily basis who demonstrate above and average asset management. Okay. All right. Let me see. Let me roll it down. Roll it down. All right. So. Growth that is steady. We aim for the project's smooth progression. Thus, we use innovative technology and trading regulations on exchanges. So, just like everything else, they're on exchanges, and they're probably buying low, selling high. All right, it's arbitrage. Buying low, selling high. Buying low. This is what all this is about. Buying on one exchange, selling on another exchange at a higher rate. Okay? Our business is fully registered. They all say that. Fully registered. All right? It's good to see that they're registered, yes. But does it really matter in all the schemes that's going on today? Some say they're registered. Some is actually registered. Some are actually good. You know what I mean? Some say they're registered. That's bullcrap. It's bullcrap. But I'm going to just go on what the website's telling me right now. They say they're fully registered. Right? And we can go and look at all the different, you can do your due diligence. I've done mine. You can look at all the paperwork and everything. It's all good. All the paperwork is good. Okay? Now, dependability. By entrusting us with your funds, you may be certain that at the conclusion of the term, which is 30 days, you will get both the agreed profit and full or part of a portion of your initial investment. All right? So you'll get the profit and your initial investment back, depending on if you went the full term or not. They also have a referral system as well. You can earn money by referring others, but we're not going to get into all that right now. I'll do that on a later date. I just want to show you the passive side of this program. Okay? As you can see, they got, validations. They registered on April 19th, 2022. They have, as you can see here, they have it. AUFIN Limited, SC729948. Like I told you before, they all have this on their websites. You know what I mean? It's the thing is, do you want to give certain websites a chance? Do you want to be in this space? And you have to have money or funds that you are willing to lose, because if the platforms go through like they're supposed to, that's a plus. But if they dive under because of what happens in the market, you can't get upset. You got to be in a situation where you can't get upset, and you knew this type of situation is going to happen. But if this platform can last a year, 2 years, shoot, if this platform can last 6 months, you'll see massive, nice returns from this account. Now, let's look at the investment plans. I was just going to do a quick thing, but I'm going to end up doing a full review of the website and everything, ladies and gentlemen. So bear with me. Please, if you like what's going on right now, hit that like button. And then also, if you're not subscribed already to the channel, hit that subscribe button. That'll help the channel very much so. As always, you know I am Passive with Christopher. Anyway, the investments. Here are the investments. And I'm going to break them down for you. I got them written down, and we got them in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. Now listen. There's 3 investment plans in this system. All right. There's a standard, there's a intermediate, and there's a premium package. Okay. Now the standard, as you can see here, is 5% for 30 days. Okay. That's 720 hours, because every hour you get 0.21% an hour. Okay, you can withdraw that immediately as well. Immediately. Like, I just got in, and I've already had a couple hours where I saw them put the money into my account. Me personally, I'm gonna wait the first day. I'm gonna wait about a full 24, probably 48 hours, and then I'm gonna do another video on me withdrawing from this account. Okay. Now, like I said, per day is 5% per day, and then on the 30-day note, it's 151%. Okay. You get your initial investment. You can get your initial investment back after 20 days with the standard investment. Okay, your funds are locked in for a full. Well, they're not really locked in, but it's a 30 days. If you pull your money out before 30 days, then you have a 10% fee deducted. Okay, if you let it roll for 30 days, then when you pull your money out, there is no fee for that. All right, so another 10 days, basically, you don't have to pay that. You don't have to pay that 10% fee for pulling out your money early. Okay. Now let's talk about the intermediate. All right, intermediate, same. It's 7%. Okay, 7% daily, right? 0.29% hourly. All right, monthly, you're making 208% return on your money. All right. Now, to get your initial investment back with the intermediate plan, it only takes 14 days. But as always, your money is still locked in for 30 days. But don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, you can take your money out, your profits out every single day. You can take your monies out, your profits out every single hour if you want to. All right. I'm thinking I'm doing it probably twice, depending on the amount, twice a day. All right, twice a day for me. All right, now let's look at the premium, ladies and gentlemen. It's 9%, 30 days. All right, the hourly rate, the hourly commissions is 0.38%, 38%. Okay, the day, 0.9%. All right, for the month, 274%. Now, your initial investment you get back in 11 days, and as always, your investment is locked in for 30 days. Now, there's different amounts that you can come in on these programs, all right, on these investment plans. Now, at the standard plan, the at least amount you can start with of the investment is $20. The max amount is $999. Okay, and that's at 5% per day. All right, that you're making on this return, and you're making your returns hourly, ladies and gentlemen. You can withdraw hourly. That's what I like about it. Hourly. Just grab your money and go. If you're nervous, grab your money and go. This reminds you of some other platform, but I'm telling you, this is, I'm not sure, but I think this is pretty decent. All right, the intermediate. The initial investment on this is $1,000, the minimum, and the maximum is $4,999. Remember, it's 7% a day for 30 days on this investment, and your initial investment is always locked in for 30 days, but you can withdraw early, but it's going to be a 10% fee deducted. Okay, remember that, 10% fee deducted. Now let's look at the premium. Now the premium is $5,000 minimum or $500,000 maximum. Same thing, 9% daily for 30 days. Your initial capital is locked in. But as always, you can withdraw early with a 10% fee. Okay? So they have a little thing here you can play with to see whatever plans you're trying to go with and how much the initial investment is. So say for instance, the Say you got $100 plan, $100. All right, let's go with the standard plan, and you want to do 100, even though it's 50 bucks for the initial plan, to get, 20 bucks to actually get in. Let's go to 20 bucks. Let's say, forget it, Chris. I'm gonna try it. I wanna test it out. I'm going to go try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put $20 in. All right, $20. Let's go $20. All right. So $20. Your hourly profit is 4 cents. Your daily profit is $1. All right. Your total profit at the end is $30. So you get your initial capital back plus the profit of $30, which equals 50 bucks. All right. So you more than double your money. All right. But let's say, all right, forget the 20 bucks. I'm gonna do 100 bucks. All right. I'm gonna do 100 bucks. I got 100 bucks to spare. I can lose 100 bucks, Chris. Just tell me that I can lose 100 bucks, Chris, to try this out. All right. So what we gonna do? We're gonna get 20 cents an hour. You're gonna have a daily profit of $5. Remember, you can pull out that $5 at the end of the day, every single day for 30 days. The total profit is $150 at the end of 30 days. You get your initial investment back of $100. That equals $250, ladies and gentlemen. That's in the standard plan. Okay. Now let's look at the intermediate plan. That's $1,000. Okay. That's $1,000, ladies and gentlemen. And we're gonna look at that. Oh, let me see if I can. Yeah, right there, and then we move it back. Oh Lord, we're gonna have to go back a little further. Well, let's go back. $1,000. Period. All right. That's what we're gonna do. And this is the intermediate plan. Okay. $1,000. All right. So, as you know, in the intermediate is 7%. Okay, and it's still locked in for 30 days. Now you're gonna make $2.91 an hour, and remember, you can pull that out every hour if you want to. You know what I mean? And then daily profit is $70, so you can even pull it out twice a day. $35. You can pull that out twice a day for the whole $70. Now the total profit after the end of 30 days is $2,100. Okay. Now the total return is $3,100. That's $2,100 plus your $1,000 initial investment. That's why I'm telling you, this is medium to high risk, ladies and gentlemen. Medium to high risk. It's giving you out really good returns. We're right there at the beginning of this platform, just starting. It's giving you great returns, but you got to tailor yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't put all your eggs into one basket. Please do not do that with this program. Put 10% of your total, say your total savings account or money you got put aside. Okay, put 10% in here. Okay, 10% only. Try it out. Let it roll for 30 days. Pull your initial investment out. Then let the house money roll again, and just let it keep rolling. And then you just keep putting it back in. This platform does not compound for you. Okay, you have to compound for yourself, which means you pull it out and you put it back into another plan. Okay, you pull it out, you put it back into another plan. You have to compound it yourself. This platform does not compound for you. Let me say it again. This platform does not compound for you. You would have to take your money out and then put it back in at the end of the 30 days. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just letting you know. So, $1,000, you end up with $3,100. But say you want to go higher. Say you got $5,000 to spare. Okay, you got $5,000. we're going to say $5,000. All right. So we already know that the $5,000 is the premium package, right? That's the premium package. So, and you know the premium package is at 9%, right? It's 9% a day, every single day. And like I said, you can always pull that out, your profits out, your daily profits out. Now, $5,000 you throw into the premium plan, you're going to be making $18.75 an hour. Okay, I don't know how many on your job make that. That's insane. $18.75 an hour profit. Okay, the daily profit is $450. So you could pull out $450 every single day. Now the total profit, just the profit now, at the end of 30 days will be $13,500. Now remember, you get your initial investment back, which will total $18,500. Remember what I told you, high risk, high reward? This is high, medium to high risk. Please, I'm going to say it again, and I'm going to keep saying it through this whole video. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Okay? Only invest what you're willing to lose. I'm bringing this to you guys because I'm invested in this program. I want to see how it works, and I know these platforms can give you a great return quick. They can give you a great return quick, but they also, if you get into them in the wrong time, they can crash in your face. Okay, this is right off the hot presses, ladies and gentlemen. It's brand new, just started 17th of this month. So I wanted to bring this to you guys, let you make your own decision, make you do your own due diligence to see if this is something you want to invest in. And also what I'm saying is there's a number of different, let me see if I could go over. You can invest in Bitcoin, Litecoin, there's Ethereum, Tether. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. Now here we are at the new deposit part. All right, so they show you all the standard, the intermediate, the premium plan. We're here in the back office. All right, this is how you select your plan, whatever you want. You go over here to new deposit. All right, and it tells you standard plan is 0.21% hourly for 720 hours, which is 30 days. Okay, it's the amount rate is $20 to $990 at an interest rate of 0.21%. And you just select this one, or you select the intermediate, or you select the premium plan. But just make sure you hit this select button, whichever one you want to do. And let me reiterate, you see underneath it says principal return anytime after 5 days with 10% fee. All right, now you put the amount here that you want to invest in. Okay, put the amount down here, that's whichever you want to invest, between $20 and $999, or $1,000 and $4,999, or $5,000 and $500,000. You put whatever amount you want to here. Now, since this is new and we don't have the balance yet, because we can pay with both external and the balance that we have in the system. Now they have 8 different coins you can pay with: Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dashcoin, Tron. Now, understand these next two, you got to be very careful with these. Tether ERC20, right, on the Ethereum network, and Tether TRC20. All right, that's on the Tron network. Now you got to make sure, if you're going to use Tether, you click the right button and you send the right token. All right, coin. You send the right coin, because if you send ERC20 and you click the TRC20, your funds is going to be gone. Okay, your funds is going to be gone. So before you click this button, make sure you click the right one with the tethers. That's all I want to let you know. Make sure you click the right one with the tethers. All right, ladies and gentlemen, listen, I think this, like I told you before, I think this program is high risk, medium to high risk. Okay, I think it's an opportunity for a person to really make something in 30 days. You know what I mean? It's hands off. It's hands off. It's just like another program that we were in that, you know, it went under. But if this can last for 4 months, 6 months, even a year, ladies and gentlemen, I think whoever invests in this platform is going to be looking quite nice. All right. But remember, please remember, only invest what you're willing to lose. This was my, as you can see, my initial investment was $120. I wanted to test the system out, to test the deposits. I'm going to test the withdrawal later on after this evening or maybe tomorrow. You can see here I already made 75 cents, okay, on this $120. And like I said, I've only started this couple hours, only deposited a couple hours ago. So I can withdraw this if I wanted to. Okay, I can withdraw this every single time it puts money here. I can withdraw it. It doesn't matter. But I'm gonna let it accumulate through the whole day or half the day, and then I'm gonna test the withdrawals out. Okay, if you want to do the same thing I'm doing, you want to test it out, go ahead and put $20 in. Go ahead and put $50 in. Go ahead and put $100 in, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and this is my journey with this platform. All right. Once again, I want to thank you for coming to my channel to check out AUFIN. Okay, it's AUFIN. I don't the name. I think it's AUFIN. But I just want to thank you for coming to this channel, checking out this. I wanted to be real quick with it, but I'm gonna go over the FAQs on the next video I make. So please come back and check that out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll get all notifications when I upload new videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. This helps the channel out very much so. And if you have any questions that I could answer that I haven't answered on this video, please hit it in the comments. And I do answer all my comments within a reasonable amount of time, ladies and gentlemen. All right. But anyway, once again, this is Christopher with Passive with Christopher, and we're sponsored by the Prosperity Dominance Group. I wish you a good day and good investment. I'll see you on the next video.